old infant with a fever 38.6 experiences a generalized seizure lasting 5 minutes. The infant is up to date with immunizations but appears lethargic post-seizure. Considering the age and post-ictal state of the infant, what is the most appropriate next step? A. Immediate neuroimaging. B. EEG. C. Lumbar puncture. D. Observation and fever management. The correct answer is C. In infants, especially those under 12 months, the presentation of febrile seizure can be less specific, and the signs of meningitis may be subtle. Given this infant's age and lethargic state post-seizure, a lumbar puncture is indicated to rule out central nervous system infection. Immediate neuroimaging is not routinely indicated for simple febrile seizures. An EEG is not typically useful in the acute setting of simple febrile seizures. While observation and fever management are important, they shouldn't replace the need for lumbar puncture in this age group, given the potential risk of central nervous system infection.